Whether in water or on land, algae have over billions of years adapted to extreme conditions and developed a multitude of survival strategies. Scientists all over the world are trying to find uses for these special qualities. Algae are seen as potential alternative fuels. Rich in protein and vitamins, it's also hoped they can help in combating hunger in the world. Medicine is seen as another area in which they could prove useful. Together with marine biologist Levent Pieker, the German biotechnologist Marion Sendhofer is hoping to develop highly effective cancer drugs from green algae.
Green algae have a quite different metabolism from land-based organisms. They're separated by a long period of evolution. There are lots of interactions between the organisms in the sea that have to defend their food sources and their habitat by chemical means. In the process, chemicals are released into the water in high concentrations, and it's precisely these substances that we're interested in.
There are an enormous number of such substances. Most have hardly been investigated at all. Michael Schagerl is an Austrian scientist interested in algae. He's constantly on the lookout for new species.
The alga community is extremely varied. In a single drop of water, we can often find 100 to 200 different species. If we look at surfaces, for example the barks of trees, we often find 20 or 30 kinds.
40,000 species of algae are already known. Even the specialists have no idea how many remain to be discovered. Estimates range into the hundreds of thousands. At the university in the Austrian capital, Vienna, there's a collection of more than 600 different species. Some algae contain oil or grow rapidly. Others produce a pigment that could be useful. Commercial exploitation of algae is nothing new.
Even in the past, people used algae. Iodine was extracted from seaweed, for example. Fossilized algae, known as diatomite or kieselguhr, were used in the production of dynamite.